This is Canon's 35mm RF lens. It has a control ring that lets you change settings fast without opening menus. Here's a control ring. Think of it as an extra dial on the lens. You can use it with your left hand while keeping your right hand on the shutter. This ring is different from the focus and aperture rings. Now let's set it up on the Canon R6. Please keep in mind the steps may look a little different on other Canon cameras. Press the menu button. At the top, you will see all the main menu tabs. Go to the Custom Functions tab. Select Customize Dials. Here you will see settings for the main dial, quick control dials, and the control ring. Choose Control Ring. The screen also shows where the control ring is on the lens. Pick the function you want to assign. You can set it to ISO, aperture, shutter speed, exposure compensation, white balance, autofocus, and more. For the demo, let's choose ISO since the R6 already has dials for aperture and shutter. Right now, the ISO is set to 250. Turn the control ring. The ISO number changes. Just rotate the ring and the camera adjust the settings for you. Each RF lens with a control ring can be customized separately, so swapping lenses won't reset your setup. It's a great feature to use and is highly recommended.